In this video, I'll tell you how you can get rid of depression which is 15 years old or maybe of 20 years old. What I will tell you, using those concepts only, my clients have come out of their depression which is 15 years old, 20 years old, and they are completely alright now. So I will tell you one real story, and I will tell you how you can get out of depression, and I will tell you one real story, the story of John. Obviously the name and few things are modified, and I have taken permission of the person also who got out of depression after 15 years being in depression. So right now when John wakes up, he wakes up feeling depressed. He lives his life horribly. But earlier it was not the case. Earlier he used to feel good, he used to feel great, he was a happy person. But due to something happened in his life, and slowly, gradually, what happened? John became depressed. He used to remain depressed always. He used to wake up depressed, and always he used to feel bad and had mood swings. So what happened? He went to doctor, but it did not help him out. He is seeing doctor from the past 5 years, but nothing is happening with him, and he is depressed till now. So one person forwarded him my link, and when he saw my link, he thought that let's do what this person is saying. Then what he did is that he thought that what is going wrong in his life, and then what is the reason of his mood swings, negative thoughts, by checking out what is going wrong in his life, and then he found none. No, there is nothing wrong in my life. Yes, my relationship has deteriorated. Yes, my job has been deteriorated. But that is because of depression. But what is the cause of this? He was not able to find out. So finally he decided to talk to me. As you know that I do consultation also. I have consulted around 150 plus people and helped them come out of depression from the age between 18 years to 61 years old, and among them there were few people who went to doctor earlier but did not get any help, but after what I suggested them to do, it helped them. So what I do when someone talks to me, I listen to their problem, I understand yes what can be done about it so that that person can go out of depression. If you also want to talk to me, you can talk to me, there is link in description. So let's come to John. So John thought there is nothing wrong with him, so what is happening, and he called me. And then I found out, so there is no problem in his life apart from depression right now. Then I found out that it's not the problem here, it's a problem 15 years ago. What happened? He started ignoring his dreams for the job he wanted. He started losing interest in his hobbies, or due to pressure for other things, he stopped doing his hobbies. He stopped doing the things that he really liked, that he really loved. He stopped doing those things. He stopped going for his dream. He stopped hustling for his dream. And then what happened? He started feeling bad, always mood swings, feeling sleepy, always crying from inside. Many people have OCD for this thing. And sometimes he used to sleep when he used to feel good, he used to sleep, and then after waking up, again he started feeling depressed. And this is not the story of John. This is the story of millions of people around the world. Millions of people around the world are suffering through this. They have learned helplessness. So it's a classic case of learned helplessness, that you cannot do it because of being bullied, because of the other people telling you you cannot do it, because of the other people making joke of your dreams, of your hobbies. What are you doing? Oh, listen to this type of songs. But every people is different. So what happened? John started ignoring those things, what other people told them to ignore. And what happened? Right now John is depressed. And it happens sometimes that people hurt you the most who you are more close with. It sometimes comes from family members, sometimes from the one you love most in the world. Sometimes you are not able to work the thing that you really wanted to work on. So those things happened with John. Now how John got out of depression, what I told him, right now I'm telling you. To get out of depression, 10 years old, 15 years old, 20 years old, you have to go back in your past. And you have to write the dreams, you have to write the hobbies, you have to write all the small things that you used to love and do. No matter if you can achieve your dream right now or not, first thing is to go back the past and to write those things. Take pen and paper and then write. Don't write in mobile, it's very distracting. In this age, lots of notifications will pop up and then it will distract you. No, not at all. Take pen and paper and write. You can write in mobile also. So, to defeat depression, to beat depression, what do you need? You need to revive your dream, you need to revive your hobby, you need to revive the thing that you really loved or the small things that you used to do that you have left doing right now. So you will think that, hey, I wanted to be millionaire and right now I'm doing job. Doing this job I cannot be millionaire. What is the solution there? So this question was with John also. And there are many similar situations that you cannot achieve it. That was with John also. So I will tell you that also, and I will make a video on that around 15 minutes to I think 25 minutes long video. If you cannot achieve something, what to do? How to get rid of depression if you know that you have this dream and you could not achieve it, and because of that you started feeling in depression, you could not do your dream work, and for that it has been 5 years and you are depressed till now. I will tell you how you can get rid of that too. But if you want to get rid of depression, bad moods, all mood swings, negative thoughts right now, because I consult only 4 people, so I cannot consult everyone at once to maintain my quality, I have written the book Beat Depression. Based on my 7 years of experience, consulting 150 plus clients, reading 1500 articles, going through 15 books and courses, I have this the best book on planet, Beat Depression, with 110% money back guarantee, because I know it works. What it will do, that it will decrease your depression in just 1 week, and in just 2 months it will be down to 5%. In 1 week it will decrease it by, it depends, like from 20%, sometimes 50%, and in the end of 2 months it will be just 10% of depression what it was before purchasing and reading the book. So if you want to get rid of it now, don't want to waste your life on it, you can go, there is link in description, and you can be free from depression. So coming to today's task, comment what are the things, what are the small things that you used to do and help me, motivate me that yes, I'm helping you, motivate others that yes, this person was used to do like this, so he can relate and he can also write his own things, and motivate all the people who are going through bad moods, depression. And if you are going through depression, you know how hard it is, so help others. And if you have any questions, comment, I will answer you, I'll make video on it. And please subscribe the channel, because there is no channel in YouTube. So if you will like it, comment it, it will motivate me to make more videos for you. And thank you.